And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the 1/144 HG Gundam Lfrith from the Witch from Mercury Prologue anime. So let's take a look at the box art. You can see here it's very simple. We see Gundam Lfrith here, and such a nice background. On the sides, we see here Gundam Lfrith. On the different gimmicks that we have here. Yep. On the other side, we see him back and front and some other details. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So first off, we greeted we are one bag with a beam saber effect, blue, a sticker sheet, and an all white sprue. Second bag has sprues, all right, light gray. Third bag has 3 sprues, one all white, one colored, and one. And this one is a special one because it. We'll see later. I'll show you later why it's special. And of course, we have the instruction manual, which is quite small, as you can see. And if we open it up, they've made a few changes to the instruction manual here, wherein they will say or indicate which runners you need in order to, let's say, build the head. So it will say you need runner A, B, and D. Same with goes with the body. So looks like Bandai is upping up their game. So let's take a look individually at the runners. So first up, we have the A sprue here, which contains mostly pink, a smoky clear gray color, green, and a clear blue. So this is for the effect parts. This is for the chest. Now, this chest area, you can either have it put with a sticker. As you can see, the sticker sheet here, it's just silver, but at the back of it is a design. I'll compare it later with that one special part. Okay, so this is the A sprue. We have a B1. So B1 is mostly gray parts for some limbs, mostly for the limbs and some for the body, and a B2 here, which again is composed of, I think, some parts for the thrusters. So that's a B1 and B2. We have a C sprue, which is all white, so most parts for the armor, I think for the legs and legs, and I think some of the arms. So that's the C. We then have the D sprue, again still all white, more parts for the armor, I think some parts for the head here, and some parts for the shield, which is actually has a gimmick also. And it has a beam parts, clear blue, and the special part that I'm talking about is this one. It's the same as the A. Let me focus here. There we go. It's the same as the A sprue earlier, one part, but instead of putting a sticker behind, Bandai upped their game. And look, the design of the Lfrith, the effect where it hit the chest of the Lfrith glows is already here. So they have actually given you the option to either use the smoky clearing part or this part wherein the design is already there. And of course, let's not forget again a quick preview on the instruction manual, again with the very simplistic design. And as you can see here, in each part they are already telling you what sprues you need in order to form, let's say, the head, the body, and etc. And later on, as you can see, yep, this is what I'm talking about. The shield has a very interesting effect wherein it can be turned into funnels. So I did enjoy the prologue, and I am guessing that this might be the predecessor for Aerial Gundam. Now, it depends, and let's see. That's just my theory. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. This is what's inside the box of the 1/144 HG, The Witch from Mercury Gundam Lfrith. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, viewing other videos, leaving a like, and sharing. This is Mixerwars. See you and thank you.